In this episode, the user and their cat discover the joy of a rainy window day, turning droplets into tiny stories. They build a cozy fort from cushions and blankets, trading jokes while the cat investigates every glistening drop on the glass. A spontaneous treasure hunt through the apartment leads to a favorite laser dot moment and a perfectly timed head nudge. The bond deepens as they share a silent, grateful routine of tea steam and purring that somehow says more than words. By sunset, both agree that everyday adventures, even weather and chores, become memories when faced together.